Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your virtual events with Hopin, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your virtual events with Hopin, start by creating an account on the Hopin website. Visit hopin.com and click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You can sign up using your email or connect through your Google or Facebook account. Once your account is created, log in to access your Hopin dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, as it will be your main control center for event management. Next, click on the Create Event button to start building your virtual event. You will be prompted to enter basic details such as event name, date, and time. Choose the type of event you want to host, whether it's a conference, workshop, or expo. After that, you'll set up your event's agenda. Add sessions that include keynote speeches, panel discussions, or networking opportunities. Customize each session by adding titles, descriptions, and speaker details. Next, look for the Tickets section to set up registration options. Decide if you want to offer free tickets or charge an admission fee. If charging, set your ticket prices and any discount codes you wish to offer. Now, move on to the Design tab where you can personalize your event's visual theme. Choose colors, images, and banners that align with your branding. Adding a showcase area for sponsors or exhibitors can enhance your event's appeal. In the Networking section, explore options for connecting attendees. You can set up one-on-one meetings or group discussions to facilitate interaction. Next, test the platform's features by running a practice event. Invite team members to join this test event to troubleshoot any issues. Consider inviting a few chosen guests to experience the event and provide feedback. Once you feel comfortable with the setup, finalize your event details. Confirm the date and time, and make sure all necessary elements are in place. Promote your event through social media, email campaigns, and your website. Use the Hopin integrations feature to automatically sync with your marketing tools. As the event date approaches, ensure that everything is working smoothly. On the day of the event, log in early to greet speakers and attendees. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.